Next, we're going to talk about the mode. The mode is the number that appears most frequently in a data set. So I try to remember mode as the number we see most. Mode, most. A data set can have no mode if all the values are unique. Similarly, a data set can have multiple modes if two or more numbers appear the same number of times. The mode is especially useful in summarizing nominal level data. So let's take a look at an example. Here we have an example of mode using the data regarding the distance in miles between the exits on I-75 through Kentucky. The information is repeated below. What is the modal distance? Organize the distances into a frequency table. So once you've organized it into a frequency table, and if they gave us a smaller set of values, you might not have to create a frequency table, but for larger sets, it is easier. If we look here at the frequency, we are looking for, remember the definition of mode, the number that is used the most. So you can easily see here that the distance in miles between exits, 1 mile between exits, occurs the most with a frequency of 8. So that would be our mode. Okay, here's another example of mode for nominal data. A company has developed 5 bath oils. The bar chart on the right shows the results of a marketing survey designed to find which bath oil consumers prefer. So you can very quickly look at this chart and see that the mode is L'Amour. It's the most frequently preferred bath oil in the chart.